Healthcare workers could soon have access to a new coronavirus test. The FDA has approved a test developed by researchers at Rutgers University. It uses a patient's saliva rather than a nose and throat swab, which most tests currently require. Experts say that a new system will allow more people to get tested. Rutgers has plans to expand those kits to state drive-through testing facilities tomorrow.
Well, 2 SEPTA employees have also died from complications of the coronavirus. According to published reports, both of those employees worked in the maintenance department. One was stationed at the depot in South Philadelphia. As of right now, SEPTA says 48 of its employees have confirmed cases of the coronavirus.
The governor of Delaware is cracking down on nursing facilities to protect the state's seniors. New regulations require care facilities to assign a specific group of workers to patients who have confirmed or suspected cases of coronavirus. Workers will also designate separate areas of the facility just for new patients. They will be kept there for 14 days and constantly checked for symptoms of the disease. Well, leaders in Delaware Chester counties are raising a red flag this morning after receiving complaints that workers at Mariner East pipeline construction sites are not social distancing. According to a release from Delaware County Council, residents have sent photos of workers standing close together and not wearing masks. And officials say continued pipeline work already poses risk of an industrial accident, while hospitals are already busy with COVID-19 patients. Both counties have contacted state officials with these concerns.
Well, China officially lifted the lockdown in Wuhan province. You may remember that's where the coronavirus was first reported. Now, the first outbound train left the city yesterday. Now public transportation within the city was running, and some businesses have even reopened. Wuhan was on lockdown since January 23rd. And this morning's business report, JP Morgan Chase CEO predicts that the coronavirus pandemic will spark a major recession.
The downward trend is expected to last throughout the rest of 2020. Domestic product is expected to fall at the 35% annual rate in the second quarter, and unemployment expected to jump as high as 14%. That CEO blames the country's leaders for the economy's downfall, saying that the lack of preparation for the spread of the virus is severely hurting the nation.
And your car insurance bill could be a little bit cheaper this month. Some insurance companies are giving money back to customers since people are driving less right now. Allstate announced that it will refund 15% of premiums paid in April and May. American Family Insurance says it will give back about $50 per car. Now, both companies say they want to expand their coverage for those who use their cars to deliver those essentials to people during this pandemic. And now we're going to get to your business headlines this morning. If you're looking for work, there is some good news.
Amazon says it is looking to fill 75,000 new jobs. The company says that's to help out with customer demand. Those positions will be both full and part-time, including delivery, warehouse workers, and shoppers. The company increased minimum pay on all jobs by $2 per hour through the end of this month. Amazon has already hired 100,000 more employees within the past month.
The CEO of Twitter is making a significant donation to people in need amid the spread of coronavirus.
He is donating $1 billion to a charity called Start Small. Now, that company will then distribute the money to other charities. The first grant will be $100,000 to America's Food Fund, which will provide meals to people impacted by COVID-19. No word on if all the money will go towards coronavirus-related causes. After the pandemic is under control, Twitter's CEO says he then wants to focus on supporting girls' health and education as well as universal basic income.
And Southwest Airlines made some adjustments to its June schedule due to the coronavirus outbreak. The company is now reducing its number of flights by 50%. Schedules for April and May were reduced by about 40%. Now, the company says releasing the schedule now allows people more time to adjust for their travel plans because June is typically a busy month for airlines. Well, we do want to get to our business headlines now, and many Americans are worried about an economic recession that's on the way, but some experts are already saying that it is here right now.
They expect it to last at least through the first half of the year. So in that survey by the National Association of Business Economics, dozens of economists said that the United States is now currently in that recession. It blames the coronavirus pandemic for this downfall. Experts are still hopeful the economy could bounce back in the second half of this year, but they suggest it may require help from a federal stimulus package.
And AMC theaters may not make it out of social distancing. According to some new reports, some financial analysts predict that the company will file for bankruptcy. Theaters have been closed since March 16th. AMC was struggling before restrictions were put into place, and analysts say that the earliest they could reopen may be in August. Currently, AMC Theaters is the world's largest movie theater chain.
The coronavirus, of course, the pandemic affecting the mental health of so many people, especially those on the front line. So if you are a healthcare worker, Harmony Bay Wellness in Laurel Springs, New Jersey wants to help you. It is hosting a free online support group tonight at 8 o'clock using the video calling app Zoom. Those details to enter are on your screen right there. You can just enter this meeting ID to join that group, and then you enter the password when you are prompted. If you do not have Zoom, you can join by dialing the number on your screen you see there as well on the bottom.
Well, the newest mobile streaming service is off to a good start. Quibi reports within its first week of launch, it racked up more than 1.7 million downloads. Now, the app features all original content that is just 10 minutes or less. Those shows are only available on your phone. That's meant for on-the-go watching. The company says it's doing pretty well amid the coronavirus pandemic, and it still has plans to create even more content.
Well, a check of your Hollywood headlines now. Mr. Worldwide trying to bring the world together with some music. Pitbull released a new song yesterday. It's called I Believe That We Will Win. The lyrics describe overcoming fear. The rapper says proceeds from the song will go towards COVID-19 relief efforts. We're back at 5:25 now, and Disney Plus says it is headed towards its goal subscriber count 4 years earlier than expected. The streaming service has 50 million subscribers worldwide. It launched just 5 months ago. Disney says it predicted to reach 60 million by 2024. It has not released whether it believes the coronavirus influenced those numbers.
And American Idol fans, there is some new music on the way for you. Last season winner Lane Hardy says that he's releasing 2 new songs and a video tomorrow. Now, both of those are country songs. Hardy says the video was filmed in his hometown just outside of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He also plans to do a couple of stops as part of what he is now calling a virtual tour. So a lot of people are looking forward to that.
Absolutely.
Time is now 5:25. The World Health Organization, global citizens, and some of music's biggest stars are coming together for a virtual concert. It's called One World Together at Home. Lady Gaga is helping to organize that show. It will feature Elton John, Paul McCartney, Billie Eilish, John Legend, Lizzo, and a whole lot more. Now, Jimmy Kimmel and Stephen Colbert will host. Gaga says she wants the show to, quote, encourage the power of the human spirit. It's set to air on April 18th.
Wait, is that Lady Gaga right there?
That's her, but it did not look like her at all.
Looks like a professor.
With the glasses and everything. She looked different.
Different look for her, for sure.
But
Came
nice.
down, knocked down a little bit. All right, it looks like actor Matthew McConaughey has found a new activity while staying at home. Take a look.
We got an I-24, I-24. Oh! Richard Bletch is waving a hammer up high.
So he has made some friends playing virtual bingo. The actor got on a video call to play and cheer up the seniors in a living facility in his home state of Texas. McConaughey's mother, wife, and children all got in on the game as well. He's also been using his videos to spread information about the virus to fans and is encouraging people to take precautions as well as help those in need.
Oh, looks like a fun time.
Yeah, right? All right, we're back at 7:41. So a bobblehead has helped raise $100,000 to help people during this coronavirus pandemic. We showed you this last week, commemorating the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci. Well, now the company that created those bobbleheads says it's become their best seller of all time. That money is now donated to the 100 Million Mask Challenge, which collects personal protective equipment for those frontline healthcare workers.
Well, you may not be able to bring the kids to Disney World, but you can bring Disney World to them. That's what this dad in Florida did. He used sidewalk chalk to bring these characters to their neighborhood in Tampa. The community seems to enjoy the pictures, so he says he wants to keep drawing them as long as everyone is enjoying them. And he's very talented, too.
He's very good.
Look at the detail.
I hope they didn't get too much rain, though. Like, you can want to make those stick around for a while. Just a little bit of rain, they're gone. But
exactly.
Yeah, those are some beautiful murals.
Take a picture of it. The coronavirus is changing lives all around the world, and it's even affecting our Easter chocolate now. Chocolatiers and bakeries all around the world are making a change to the iconic chocolate bunny this year. You can see right there, they added a face mask. Now, these ones are from Lily Bell Farms in Oregon. Little masks are edible, and they're made of chocolate as well. They go for about $10 each, but according to the company's website, they are already sold out. So if you didn't get one this time, you're out of luck.
You are out of luck. Very timely.
Yeah, the COVID bunny. Well, working from home may be stressful for some of us, but apparently it's making our furry friends pretty anxious as well. So according to scientists at Yale University, pets may be confused by the stressed energy that's coming from their owners. Experts say pets can pick up on stress, even anxiety levels, and that can make them feel the same exact way. So they recommend that playing with your pet for about a few minutes every couple of hours to help both you and your pet find some relief. I didn't realize that. I know that the pets can actually sense what's going on, but I didn't even think about how you could transfer that energy to them.
Yeah, they're very good at picking signals up from you, even if it's nonverbal, obviously. Yeah.